Are we going to see Neymar between now and the final? Here's a moment many Brazilian fans have been waiting for. Matheus Cunha has had another excellent outing and added to his goal tally. But for the first time in a long time, Neymar takes to the field for the Seleção, their all-time goal scorer. Brazil topping the group. Scotland with the same total they had at the start of...
It's great to watch, so quick and elegant.
Angus Gunn's been with players like Vinicius Junior out into... Here he is. Trying to find a way through. Guimarães. Scotland free kick. Endrick. Here's Neymar. Tierney's back on his feet. He's okay. Extremely exciting young player, just like Ryan. Ryan and Endrick are the only two players in the Brazil squad. Beaten by a single goal to nil in the game against Morocco last time out. This is of this FIFA World Cup here in the United States. Brazil still on the front foot. Brazil going looking for number in this group, so interesting finish.
Well, plenty of goals, plenty of goals in both games.
Who knows? We might not be done yet, because Brazil with a free kick on the... So Brazil with the advantage over Morocco. Well, Morocco 4-2 up on Haiti now. Neymar to take it and to whip that one in invitingly. Here he is again, trying to roll back the 3 points with Scotland, because the head-to-head Scotland beat them. In this match today, well, Scotland getting bodies back behind the ball, support arriving, Neymar has it, back into Vinny Junior, big block made by Curtis. Turn to the international fold of their record goal scorer, Neymar. On a hot, humid, sweaty night in Miami, but in the end they couldn't lay a glove on the five-time world champions. It remains to be seen whether they will make it through or go home. Scotland 0, Brazil 3.